Good morning, I'm Brent Garrow, and I'm sitting here on the stage of the historic Opera House here in Enosburg Falls. In less than 3 weeks, the 35th Vermont Dairy Festival Scholarship Pageant will be held at 7 p.m. on May 30th. The Scholarship Pageant is always the opening for the Vermont Dairy Festival, and this is our 62nd year. We hope that many of you will come out for the pageant. It's a great show, great entertainment. I'm here to talk today about our summer show at the Opera House, The Music Man. We last did the show 10 years ago, so we are very, very excited to be producing it once again. Into River City, Iowa comes a somewhat shady guy by the name of Harold Hill. His hope is to sell band instruments to the parents of River City to start a boys band. He has some unique ways of going about his sales pitch, and actually he ends up being pretty successful. As he's going through town meeting many people, he comes upon Marion the librarian. As the story unfolds, lo and behold, they fall in love. With the backdrop of many, many townspeople, many great roles for both men and women, an amazing quartet who sings Lida Rose and other numbers. And you may be familiar with a couple of the numbers, the musical numbers in the show, 76 trombones, and Gary, Indiana, which is sung by our young Winthrop. So we're gearing up for auditions, which will be taking place on Saturday, May 18th from 10 to 1 at the high school, and then back here at the Opera House on Sunday, May 19th from 2 to 5. We're doing something a little bit different in our audition process this year, and starting at 10 on the morning of the 18th, we will be doing a series of 3 workshops. We will be doing a music workshop, a dance workshop, and the other workshop will be an opportunity to read through some of the scripts, maybe read it to yourself, maybe read it in pairs, whatever folks choose to do. And then at 11:30, from 11:30 to 1, will be the actual audition. However, we understand people have busy schedules, and some people may not be able to make it to the workshops, and that is absolutely fine. The intent of the workshop is just to give folks a little bit of time to prep if they so desire. But if for some reason you can't be at the workshops, again, the auditions are from 11:30 to 1. So come in. Folks will be doing a registration process, and we'll kind of move from there. The same will be true on Sunday. From 2 to 3:30, we will also be doing our workshops. And then from 3:30 to 5 will be our auditions. Again, if you're not able to be in here for the workshops, please come in for the auditions. We don't want to find out after the fact that people were, well, I couldn't make it to the workshop, so I couldn't audition. That is not true. Again, the purpose of the the purpose of the workshop is to help you prepare if you would like to do that ahead of time. On our website, as well as the Opera House Facebook, you will find readings, and you can download those. Maybe you have an idea of a character or characters you'd like to audition for, so you can work on those readings. Also, there will be the download pages for the music. So we have music for the males, one song, and another song for the females. You can download that music, go on YouTube, play the music, and work on it. However or whatever works for you, that's the process in which you will take. So again, our auditions are on the 18th of May, 10 to 1 at the high school auditorium. And the other audition is Sunday the 19th here at the Opera House from 2 to 5. And our show is the last weekend of July on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we hope that people, if they're not going to be in the show, are looking at those dates and preparing to buy tickets. You'll be hearing a lot more from us as the summer rolls along, but right now, of course, we need to get our show cast. So we hope to see a lot of people coming out for those auditions. Thank you.